Hello and welcome to Joyful Tune-ins. And today we're going to talk about star seeds. Are you a star seed? What is a star seed? How do I know if I'm a star seed? So if you are watching this video, you are a star seed. And star seeds, they come from all corners of the universe. From faraway star systems, neighboring galaxies and universes and solar systems. Star seeds have come in waves starting in around 1975, although there were some pre-waves back in the 50s and 60s. And star seeds have come to help with the transition of moving from an old age to a new age. We'll call this the Aquarian age, astrologically speaking. And ages can run for very long periods of time. So we're moving out of the dark age, the age of density and heaviness, and we're moving into a new age of lightness and joy and healing and expanded consciousness. So star seeds have been born. Many of you have been born into dysfunctional family units, primarily to understand the human condition and to bring light and healing to your parents and or siblings and even your pets. Star seeds have had, shall we say, a difficult time in adjusting to this planetary denseness, oftentimes feel alone and not being able to fit in, having perceptions and thoughts and feelings that are different from other people, knowing things that most people aren't aware of, and perhaps having challenges in expressing their creativity and their spiritualness. So let's do a quick tune in to, shall we say, adjust your starseed matrix so you can better blend in, but not be a part of the planet per se. So simply close your eyes, take a deep breath, using the power of the breath to tune in. We're tuning into the heart center. And activating your star seedness. Activating the stars literally within your heart. The sacred temples within your heart. The sacred flames of life within your heart. Knowing that you are star seed and have come for a specific purpose and mission, and that you are divinely loved and supported in this mission, and that you simply need to just open up for the support, energetically, emotionally, psychologically, spiritually, opening up to your soul group to know that you are one of many here to help bring change to the planet, to help bring more divine light and balance to all things within this planetary structure. And to know, no matter what you do or how you do it, you are innately born of the stars, and you carry that light very brightly within your soul to touch all those that are ready to awaken and to know who they are. So with this knowing, come back to your body with more clarity of purpose, with more centeredness and calm, and with a greater vision to manifest that which you innately are, divine creator manifested in form. Thank you for your time together, and many blessings.